Okay, so our property has been verified and our property is now live on HotelonCall.com. You can just go to HotelonCall.com and even see your property page. Simply go to HotelonCall.com and select find hotels, and your property is in Uttarakhand, hotel in Uttarakhand, hotel in Binsar, and here you go, your property is live. Okay, you can just simply click over here and then watch all the details of your property. So here we go, we have all details showing over here. Okay, so this is how your property details are showing, and if you want, you can edit anything you want. Now let's say we want to basically update our property availability. All right, basically it's like let's say for a specific dates your property is full or it's under renovation, you don't want booking for that particular period, then what you need to do, okay, you simply click over here and again go to manage property, and once you are over here next to your property name, click on action and go to edit, and then scroll down to the bottom to this step number 5, click on update availability. Okay, once you click over here, you will see that for all dates your property is available. For example, let's say from 20th July till 31st July, I do not want any booking. Okay, so what I do is I click that and then click on add. Okay, once I do that, you can see for these dates the availability for my property has been made not available. Okay, and this way if anyone is going to search for your property during these dates, we will not show your property to that particular person on HotelonCall.com. and let's say before ending of this period you change your mind, let's say you have the availability again, then simply go to manage property tab and then go to edit again and then go to update availability and just delete this. Okay, so I'm going to delete, let's say I'm going to delete, and again the availability for those dates is made available. Okay, so your property is again available for all those dates for which you have earlier mentioned that you are not available for booking. Okay, so this is the process of updating your property availability.